Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a kind of tutorial slash project share type video, and it is for PandaHall Selected. I have a previous video sharing the products that I chose when they reached out to me to see if I would like to collaborate with them. So I chose some items, and one of the items was this big, huge pack of 25mm beads. I've actually got some plain ones. I had this acetate box from, I think it was a planner. No, my memory dex tray, that's what it was. And it fit most of the beads just right, leaving, you know, a good handful out for me to play with. And then, so I've got them stored in this little box here. So I wanted to paint these beads, and I wanted to do some really cute designs. I was thinking like to match some collections, but starting off I thought, let me just play with a few and see where it goes. So I had found a tutorial on using a plate and paint in your beads, and you just put your paint on there and you shake it around and it covers your whole beads. Well, I did that, and this is how my beads turned out. I've got a new and a better light, so hopefully you can see better. You can see there's texture there. And it's not that I don't like the texture, but in person, some of those, you can't see it very well on camera, some of those spots are like translucent. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. That bright light is helping a lot. Love my new light, but yeah. So I do like the texture, but I didn't like that I can see lines. See where it rolled, the lines, where it rolled across. I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't know. But, so I did, you can see there's 5 here. So I decided to glitter one. I just took some, what do you call these little sticks? From the Dollar Tree. And cut them down, and then used a blade to kind of shave off the end so that it would fit in my bead. So this one I painted pink with this Maggie Holmes acrylic paint, and then I glittered it with this fine soft pink holographic glitter. I still need to put a clear coat on it, but I thought that made a really pretty bead. Really pretty, nice big hole. And then I started playing around. I had some other unfinished wood beads as well. Smaller ones, that's what these are here. I decided to use toothpicks and start making some designs to go with the bigger beads, so that I had some small coordinating beads to go with it. That one looks like a little macaroon to me. So, let's see. That light is kind of bright. So anyway, this is another one. I painted it teal, this teal blue color, and then just did some stripes of paint, the pink, thin and thick. I went in and did thick lines. I kind of went in this direction using this as my map. Did thick lines and glittered each line as I did it, and then I went back and did thin lines. And I like how that turned out. Need to clear coat that one. So, I had also found another tutorial about painting beads, and it's kind of like the plate method, except for you put it in a container with your paint and you shake it. And then if you do it with a second color, it'll give you a marbled effect. Well, in the midst of trying that tutorial, I was trying to lighten my teal color, and when I put the white paint in, it gave me this really pretty swirl effect. So I thought, why don't I just dip my beads in that? I don't know if you can see it, but there's like this marbled, see the swirls? This new light is super bright, and you almost can't even see what I'm trying to show you. It's so bright. So yeah, I like how that one came out. I have partially glittered this one, just playing around, and then I have some white ones ready to go. But I used one that was white, and I went in and hand painted these hearts one by one. I wanted them to be offset and uneven and, you know, handmade, hand painted. So I wanted to use that bead to make a pokey tool, and I started doing that right here. So I thought I would stop and hop on for my video and go ahead and share with you guys. So I've just got one of these pokey tools from Hobby Lobby, and this has a big wide hole, so it works really great for a pokey tool. So yeah, I'm just gonna put my bead on there and add my other beads. And then I've got this cute little pokey tool made with a bead that was handmade by me. I think I'm gonna find some bead caps to go on here. So yeah. But I wanted to share the beads and kind of what I'm doing with them and what my ideas were. Oh, it went on. Okay. I thought that little one didn't want to go on. See, I'm not sure if I like skinny, you know, pow, big in the middle. So I may go in. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like it. So anyway, I do like how some of my beads came out. And I'm happy with the size. They're big enough to paint on. That was my main idea, was to paint on them. So I'm glad it worked out. I think that's going to be the last one for this. And I've got this little plastic piece. I'm going to, some people like to glue, use glue between all of their beads when they're putting them on and kind of swirl it. This one, and with others, I just like to use this temporary little plastic piece on the end. Because see, I'm not positive that I'm done with this. I'm not sure I like this. So I have that there to hold it and see how I like it before I glue it in place. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. These beads are, how big are they on a ruler? On a ruler, almost an inch big. And that seems really big, 25 millimeters. That is really big for a bead. But if you want to paint on them, like I have, or even more intricate designs, this is a really, really great size bead to use. I plan to paint some flowers on some of these to go with a Maggie Holmes collection. And I cannot wait to see how that turns out. So yeah, that's it for this video. And I will be back with another video sharing the Christmas theme, holiday theme jewelry making set that I also picked from the website. That's it this time, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.